God dang it. Okay, you're panicking too much. We gotta get you out of here. Can you? That's not where I need you to stand. I tell you what. I'm gonna open the door, and you just try not to get stuck in the mechanics. Okay? Can you do that? Okay, here we go. Where's the remote control? I think I found it. Here it is. Oh, come on. The door's open. It's right there. Get out. Get out. You didn't get out. You're on top of the door. Now you didn't drop your food. Okay, let me open the other door. Freaking bird. You need help? Can I make this? Hey, bird. You know what? Maybe if I just leave the garage, you'll figure out how to get out. You think you can do that? You're not going to take nothing, are you? Look, if you just walk forward, do you see your freedom? Can you get out? Do I need to guide you out? Come on, you almost had it. Come on, I just washed my car. Get out of here. Come on, you're almost there. Come on, you just walk forward. There's an opening right there, and I know you can fit through it. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna leave you out here, and I'm hoping you'll be gone when I leave later, okay? Bye.